Hello, my name is Umar Farooq and I am going to present the paper titled Object Detection via Region-Based Fully Convolutional Neural Network that was published in 2016. Object detection is always a challenge in computer vision. With the rise of autonomous vehicle, visual detection and various people counting applications, fast and accurate object detection systems are needed. Most successful approaches to object detection currently are extension of image classification models. RCNN introduced CNN into object detection. Thereafter, RCNN-based detectors like FastRCNN, FasterRCNN process object detection in three stages. Firstly, generate region proposals. Secondly, make classification from region of interests. And lastly, localization predictions from region of interest. When using these three stems and trying to improve the detection speed, we ran into a problem. On one hand, when performing classification, we want to learn the location invariance. That is, regardless of where the cat appears in the image, we want to classify it as cat. On the other hand, when performing the detection, we want to learn the location variance. If the cat is at the bottom, we want to draw a box at the bottom. RFCN is first fully convolutional network for object detection that solves the contradiction between location variance and location invariance using position sensitive score maps and position sensitive ROI pooling. It improves speed by reducing per region of interest computation to almost negligible. In the architecture, we have ResNet 101 pre-trained on ImageNet. We use only its convolutional layers for feature extraction. These features are then fed to region proposal network for extraction of region of interests and the convolution and a convolution layer that is responsible for extraction of position sensitive score maps. Then we apply position sensitive ROI pooling given position sensitive score maps and region of interest. And then finally we apply softmax to predict the cross probability. I'll be explaining position sensitive score maps and position sensitive ROI pooling in the coming slides. Let us just take away the RPN for simplicity. We got C classes that needed to be detected. C plus 1 means C number of object classes plus the background class. After numerous convolutions at the beginning, right before the positive sensitive score maps, we perform k square C plus 1 dimension convolution. For each class, there will be k square feature maps. These k square feature maps represent the top bottom, top center, top right, etc. up to bottom right of the object we want to detect. Given 5 cross 5 feature map M with the square object inside and assuming that k is equal to 3, we divide the object into 3 by 3 regions. Now we create a new feature map from M to detect the top left corner only. As you can see here, this is the new feature map that was extracted from M that detects only top left corner of the image. And since we divided the square into 9 parts, we create 9 feature maps, each detecting the corresponding region of the object. These feature maps are called position sensitive score maps because each map detects a sub-region of the object. And here is the equation of each feature map. Let's say that the dotted red rectangle is the region of interest proposed by RPN. We divide into 3 by 3 regions and ask how likely each region contains the corresponding part of the object by taking the intersection of the score map with the corresponding cell of ROI, like we did here. We impose the ROI on the score maps we have. Here we imposed it on the top left score map, and then we evaluated the intersection, and we do this for all nine of feature map with all nine feature maps, and we get this vote array. We store the results into 3 cross 3 vote array, and this process to map score maps and region of interest to vote array is called position sensitive ROI pooling, which is very similar to the ROI pooling in the fast RCN. After calculating all the values for position sensitive ROI pool, the class score is average of all its elements. Let's say we have C classes to detect. Each class will have class score, and therefore a total of C plus 1 class scores. Then we apply softmax on those scores to compute the probability of each for each class. Class agnostic bounding box regression is performed. That means the regression is shared among the classes at k square C plus 1 dimension convolution layer. A sibling k 4k square dimensional convolutional layer is appended. Position sensitive ROI pooling is performed on this bank of 4k square maps, producing a 4k square dimensional vector for each region of interest. Then it is aggregated into a 4-dimensional vector by average voting, which represents the position and the size of the bounding box, which is the same as in fast RCNN. Here we can see that in the first image, when the ROI overlaps the object, the activations of the score maps are high. Hence the class score is high, which will make the model to predict this ROI as a person. And in the second image, ROI does not overlap the object perfectly, so the score maps are low, due to which the class score is also low, and the model will not predict this ROI as a person. The loss function of RFCN is the summation of two losses: cross entropy loss and bounding box regression loss. Here is the pseudocode for FRCN. Uh, here you can see that RFCN is 20 times faster than the faster RCNN. The test time per image is much lower than the one in faster RCNN, while maintaining the accuracy as good as faster RCNN. RFCN is fully convolutional neural network for image detection. RFCN is simple but accurate and efficient framework for object detection. It achieves accuracy competence with faster RCNN but much faster training and inference time. Thank you very much.